Hi, today we're talking about different plugs that we use on the different wires that we have available here at Tower Music. We'll start with the phono plug. This is what they refer to as a quarter-inch plug or phono plug. It was actually invented in the 19th century, used for the phone switching system, and is still widely used today. It's available in a mono version, which they call a tip and a sleeve, and they have it in a stereo version, which they call a tip, ring, and a sleeve. And for different applications, we can use those for insert plugs or for balance cable or for just patch cables. The second cable here we have is what they call an XLR plug. It's a 3-pin, and they make it in a male and a female coupler, and it's referred to as an XLR. There's different companies that make these plugs. I've heard people call them Canon plugs, but those are manufacturers. So you have Neutrik, Witchcraft, Canon, but the generic name for that is an XLR plug. Commonly used for microphones or for balance lines. The next one we have is the 3.5 millimeter, which also has a tip and a sleeve, and the version that is a tip, ring, and a sleeve. I've heard these referred to with 1/8-inch plugs, which in the States here we would say that, but it's a 3.5 millimeter plug. The next one we have is the RCA. These are commonly found on commercial grade consumer products, CD players. You used to see them on, or cassette players. They're still used quite a bit, where you have two conductors where you have the center pole, and then the outside is a ground plug, or part of the plug. That is the next one is a speak-on connector, and a speak-on connector is a three versions of this. It has 4 poles, 8 poles, or 2 poles. The 4-pole and the 2-pole look the same, but it's made to carry 4 conductors of wire or 2 conductors of wire, and primarily used for speakers. Thank you.